Hello friends, now we are going to study transmission parameter. It is also called as ABCD parameter. It is the simple representation of two-port network here in which V1, I1, V2 and I2 are four variables in which two of them will be dependent and two of them will be independent. So for transmission parameter, V1 and I1 will be dependent and V2 and I2 will be independent. So we can write V1 is equal to function of V2 and I2, and I1 will be equal to function of V2 and I2, and with the help of proportionality constant we can directly write V1 is equal to A into V2 minus B into I2, and I1 can be written as C into V2 minus D into I2. Here we need to be consider one point, that is, if I2 is inverse, then here it is sine. We need to consider if I2 is inside to the two-port network, then here it is minus. Means if we will try to write in terms of matrix, then it will be V1 I1 is equal to A B C D. Then this V2 and here this will be minus of I2 when I2 is inside. And if we will change the direction, if we will change the direction like this, then what will happen? This minus I2 become plus I2. So we need to take care that in which direction current has been given. But now when we will consider the transmission line or transmission parameter, then generally we used to take current as outward because we need to cascade the two network. If we need to cascade the two network, it means this is one two-port network and this is another two-port network. So if we want to cascade them, then this should be I2. The output of first should be equal to the input of this I1 dash. So directly we can draw. So here we will try to write the current direction I2, that is outwards. And our main task is to find out the value of ABCD parameter. We have two equation. V1 is equal to A into V2 minus B into I2, and I1 is equal to C into V2 minus D into I2. Case number 1. Case number 1, when I2 is equal to 0, then V1, this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2, then V1 will be equal to A into V2. It means A will be equal to V1 upon V2. It means it is reverse voltage gain. A will be called as reverse voltage gain. And from the second equation we can write I1 is equal to C into V2. That means C will be equal to I1 upon V2. This is your transfer admittance. And the same way we can calculate the value of B and D. Case number 2 is when the value of V2 will be equal to 0. then equation 1 can be written as V1 is equal to minus B of I2. From here, the value of B will be equal to minus of V1 upon I2, and B will be called as transfer impedance. And from equation number 2, I1 can be written as minus of D into I2. It means D value can be written as minus of I1 upon I2 when V2 is equal to 0. When V2 is equal to 0. Here D can be written as reverse current gain. I'm going to write how to calculate all the ABCD parameter. In short, the value of A is equal to V1 upon V2 when I2 is equal to 0. The value of C will be equal to I1 upon V2 when I2 is equal to 0. And the value of B is equal to V1 upon I2 when V2 is equal to 0. And the value of D is equal to I1 upon I2 when V2 is equal to 0. So this is how we can calculate the ABCD parameter. One thing we need to take care that the equivalent circuit we cannot draw, because in ABCD parameter it is not possible to develop equivalent circuit since both equation has been developed on the basis of input side. So here it is all about the transmission parameter. Thank you.